of store setup, you mentioned to go through the GoDaddy. Your teaching is the GoDaddy website, but then at one point in your video, after you've purchased your domain, you said it would be easier to just purchase a domain from Shopify. So which one is it that we should go with now?
For you, I'd recommend Shopify. Buy it from Shopify.
Buy the domain from Shopify.
Yeah.
So is there different like situation where you would go to GoDaddy and different situation you would go to Shopify?
Correct. The GoDaddy option would probably be when you have a general store, or if you're launching multiple one product stores, you probably want to use GoDaddy.
Why is that?
Because you would have multiple domains. So in this case, since you've gone all in on just this product, there's no need for multiple domains.
So if we get multiple domains, we go to GoDaddy, buy the domain, and then link it to the Shopify store.
Yeah, so the advantage of GoDaddy is if you have 5, 6 domains, it'll be all under one GoDaddy account. But if you have 5, 6 domains for Shopify, then you'll need 5, 6 Shopify accounts.
Right. So in the future, if I do decide to get another domain for another shop, would that be under the same account or different account?
It'll be under a different Shopify account, I believe.
And that's fine.
So if you're considering opening more than one store, multiple stores, then maybe GoDaddy would be better for you, Joey.
Yeah, just in the future, because you said, for instance, we don't know how long the hydrogen bottle trend will go for. And potentially, if I test new products and I can sell other products as well, then GoDaddy would be the better option.
GoDaddy is the better option if you plan on purchasing multiple domains.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think because the only downside of GoDaddy is when you buy it on GoDaddy, that you have to link it to Shopify. Whereas if you buy it on Shopify, you don't need the linking process. You can skip that, but the linking process is pretty easy. So if you want, go with GoDaddy and link it over. And if you need help, I can help you with that. So it's whatever, now you sort of know the pros and cons, I guess you can go with your preference. So based on pros and cons regarding Shopify versus GoDaddy domains, pick your preference.
Yep. And your video shows how to link the GoDaddy domain to Shopify as well, right?
Yes, it does.
I think you did. Yeah. Okay, cool.